Hello everyone. So here is simple Photo Widget app. It's a free app, you can get it on App Store. And it's super popular right now on iOS because with iOS 14 you can install all these widgets on your home screen. So what to do, after you downloaded an app, just tap plus and you will be able to add some photos. You can add one photo, you can add multiple photos. So yeah, there you have it. You can set up photo refresh interval. You can adjust widget's current settings. That's it. Then you can edit, delete photos. And yeah, then how to install the widget. Just tap and hold and then look for the plus icon in top right or in top left. In top left it will be on newer iPhones like iPhone X and stuff like that. So just tap on that and then just search for photo widget. There you have it. That's your photo widget. You then select either small, medium, big, add widget. And that's it. Then you will see this photo widget. And that's how it works. And then these photos will be refreshed on your device. So that's how you use it. If you want to remove it, just tap and then you can just remove it. So hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.